She's a pretty brown thing, got them curls that hang, and everybody knows when they see me, it's take glow. She's got beauty and brain, a glow that shines through rain. She's take glow.
What's up, Take Glow gang? Today I'm gonna be doing a video showing y'all how to do a top knot bun, like a really tall top knot bun, not one of those little top knot buns that everybody say they be doing. I'm finna show y'all a real top knot bun, and you can achieve this on like medium length hair. Not, I don't know about short hair, but medium length hair you can achieve this on. Thin hair, thick hair, and I'm gonna show y'all how you do that. But y'all, look at all this hair I got. But anyways, let's get into the video. So I'm just gonna part the front section to create my swoop. And you don't need a thick section. Like I see some people use a thick section. So I hope y'all can see that. So I just part it from the corner. And then I'm gonna part round and off because I don't want this to be too thick, you know. So now that I have the section for my swoop, I'm just gonna put my swoop into a ponytail. So then, like I said earlier, take a whole bunch of this gel. I already got the back. And then I'm gonna get the sides just as good. And then the front. Y'all, I'm heavy on the gel. I really don't need this much, and y'all probably don't need this much, but I like gel because I like my hair to be like super laid. But I'm just taking the gel around the perimeter of my hair. So I pretty much did get everywhere. So now that that's done, I'm just gonna take out a piece on the side, on both sides, and make sure they're like about the same amount of hair. So I just look at those, it looks like the same amount of hair to me. And then I'm just gonna take all the hair that's not a part of my swoop, grab my brush, and I always start at the back. I just follow with my hand to make sure it's super smooth. And then this swoop kind of in my way. So then I just pull this behind my ear so that I can get right here. And I just keep brushing. And then I just smooth the rest out with my hand. I want to look and make sure I got it in the middle. Yeah, my hair is super wet if y'all see all these products dropping. And then I just pull it, but I really don't need to because it's pretty sleek, like I said. And y'all, in the meantime, I'm gonna put this part of my hair in a bun so that it won't keep falling in my face. But right here, I make sure I want to keep this part that I put to the side back so that it doesn't get into the swoop. I'm gonna start out by combing this section, making sure it's combed real good. And then I'm just gonna go in with this brush, making sure the hair is as smooth as possible from roots to ends. And now y'all, this is the part that really matters. I'm gonna take like lots and lots and lots of gel. Lots and lots. And I see some people section and make this harder than it gotta be, but you know, different hair types, of course, it's gonna be harder or easier. And me, while my hair is wet, my hair is easy to deal with, easy to manage, but versus while it's dry and big, because I got some big hair as y'all saw, but while my hair is wet, Like, look at how easy my hair is. But it's only like this if it's wet, y'all. So y'all, like I said, I gotta make sure this part stays back, or either it's gonna go up with the rest. But so right now I'm just molding my swoop how I want it. And y'all, for the meantime, I'm gonna place a bobby pin here because, y'all, I tell y'all my hair don't know how to act. Like, to straighten this piece out because my swoop got a little swerve going on in the front. Okay. So now that I have that out the way, I can pull this to the front, but to get this hair, the end of this, like how my natural hair is sticking, I'm just gonna grab as much gel on it as possible. I'm gonna hold this down so that my swoop doesn't move, but I'm taking as much gel as possible to make sure this end is really smooth so that when it goes up here, it's still really smooth. And yeah, I'm gonna take another bobby pin. So with my swoop, I see some people bring it immediately to the top, but for me, I'm gonna bobby pin it to the back a little bit so that it's not just going straight up after I just swooped it. Y'all see the back of that? It's not laid right now, but this is what the back is looking like. So I just took the swoop and I have a bobby pin right here, and then I bobby pinned it up here going into the ponytail. I'm just gonna put some hairspray on it because like I said, y'all, I want it to be super laid. Because my hair, I'm telling y'all, my hair does not stay. I'm gonna take some gel and some hairspray onto these curls, especially at the root, because I want it to be laid at the root. I don't want the start to this to be extra puffy. So then I'm just taking this down these ends so they can be curly. This side is looking a little shorter simply because this side is curling up more. So now I'm just gonna go in with this, and I might take another one just to make sure that all of my swoop is laid. I want to pull both of these down as much as possible so that they're, you know, stretched. And then I'm just gonna leave this on here and let it dry. I'm gonna add some more things on here. I'll be back once I'm done with that. So then I'm just gonna take my comb and I'm just gonna slightly comb my hair out a little bit to get it as big as possible. Pay attention right here. So on this part, you just want to make a regular bun. So you see that? Make sure your hair is flipped all the way over. This is the middle piece. And then you just flip it back as if you're making, you know, those buns we used to wear back in the day. And you just want to grab your hair and put that scrunchie on there one time if it's a tight scrunchie. But if it's loose, and then do it twice. Y'all remember these buns when everybody used to wear these cute little buns? But you want to do this if your hair can do it. If your hair isn't like full enough or long enough to do this and you want a big bun, try doing just like one of these type of buns first. But if you have bigger hair, try this way, or either you can try teasing it so that this part could be bigger.
Montana, you want these chicken nuggets?
In the middle of my video, yes, I want them chicken nuggets.
You want the sweet and sour sauce to go with it?
Yes. Thanks, Rumi.
Okay.
Oh, wait a minute.
What?
Take another scrunchie. So my bun is like this. You take another scrunchie and you grab your hair this way. Squeeze it as much as you can. And you start at the bottom. So you see the scrunchie right here. And I put it over the bottom and then the middle. Then I go around one more time and I do it around the top. And then I just want to fluff around the areas that I put the scrunchie so that it's hidden. Because I use the thick scrunchie. You can do it with a rubber band or a thinner scrunchie so that the rubber band doesn't show. But if your hair is thick, then you don't have to worry about the rubber band showing. But I pretty much, to create my top knot and make it taller, what I do is put a rubber band throughout the bun and to make sure your bun really tall. I'm gonna take some edge control on this side and make sure this looks really smooth, and use this small little edge brush. I usually use a toothbrush, and then y'all kind of want to do some fancy edges. Y'all suck at edges, by the way. But so y'all see how I just took that whole little curl piece out. I twist it at the root so that it's flat, and then I wrap it around my finger to create a circle, and then I lay it to my skin. Stick it to that skin. So I'm gonna brush that in. Paradise Kisses gloss. A little glitter gloss, you know, holographic glitter. And now I'm glossed up. That's the end of this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more natural hair videos and more bun videos, comment down below and I'll be sure to make those videos for y'all. But peace out, take low game.